In this video, you'll learn how to set up Claude Code for full stack development on a Windows machine. By the end of this tutorial, you will have all the necessary tools and configurations. To begin, you need to install several required tools. First, navigate to the Node.js website and download the LTS version, which should be version 20 or higher. After the installation is complete, proceed to the Python website and download Python version 3.12 or higher. Next, visit the Visual Studio Code website to download and install this popular code editor. After installing Visual Studio Code, go to the Git website to download Git, which is essential for version control. Finally, you may choose to install Windows Terminal, as it provides a more advanced command line experience, although it is optional. Once you have installed the required tools, the next step is to set up your project folder. Open your command prompt or terminal and create a new directory by typing mecha c users, your name full stack. Replace your name with your actual username. After creating the directory, navigate into it by entering cdc users, your name full stack Claude. This folder will serve as the root for your full stack development project. The installation of Claude Code is the next step. Begin by initializing a new Node.js project with the command npm init-y, which creates a package.json file with default settings. Following this, install Claude Code and dot by running npm install Claude Code .al.adnanition. Create a virtual environment by executing python-10 vem. Activate this virtual environment with 2 binver scripts. Activate and then install the necessary Python packages by entering pip install Claude Code python-dotten. After installing the necessary packages, you need to set your API key. Create a new file named quote.env in the root of your project folder. Open this file in your code editor and add the line cldo _ API _ key =, your _API _ key _ here, replacing your _API key. The Dotten package will help load this environment variable in both Python and Node.js, ensuring that your key is kept secure. Next, you will set up the backend using Node.js. Create a new file named server.js in your project folder. In this file, import the necessary modules by adding import express from express, import Claude Code from Claude Code, and import Dotten from Dotten. Load your environment variables by calling .dotten.config. Then create an instance of Claude Code using your API key with const client = new Claude Code API key process.emb cldd _ API key. Set up an Express app and define a post route /generate where the code will be generated based on the prompt received. Finally, to test your backend, run your server by typing nodeserver.js in your terminal. Your backend should now be running on port 3001. For the front end, create a React app by executing npx create React app frontend and then navigate into the front end directory. In your React component, use the use effect to your backend, sending a prompt to generate the desired code. This completes the setup process for Claude Code on your Windows machine. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.